Supercomputers. Supercomputers are most powerful and expensive computers available at any given time. Users use them primarily for processing complex scientific applications requiring enormous processing power. These are expensive kind of computers and used for processing complex scientific applications and which requires processing a large amount of processing powers. So they are not used by personal usage. They are not meant for personal usage. They are used in various industries. First is petroleum industry uses supercomputers to analyze volumes and seismic data gathered during oil seeking explorations to identify area where there is a possibility of getting petroleum products inside the earth. So this is basically analysis of data which is volumes as well as the seismic data which is gathered during oil seeking explorations in order to identify the area, that is geographical area, where there is a possibility of getting petroleum products inside the earth. This is first application. Second is aerospace industry uses supercomputers to simulate airflow around an aircraft at different speeds and altitude. So the aerospace industry is using for checking the aerodynamics of a aeroplane. So how it will not be crashed. So that is done by aerospace industry. Third is automobile industry uses supercomputers to do crash simulation of an automobile design before releasing it to manufacturer. Doing so is less expensive, more revealing and safer than crashing a real model. So if we want to test durability of a particular car or vehicle, then we have to physically crash it, and then that fully furnished or fully designed car will cost us a lot. So for that matter, automobile industry is using supercomputers. Fourth is structural mechanics industry uses supercomputers to solve complex structural engineering problems. That means making problem regarding making homes, designing of homes, etc. uh, like designers of various types of civil and mechanical structures need to deal with ensure safety, reliability and cost effectiveness. Fifth is meteorological centers use computers for weather forecasting. They feed weather data supplied by worldwide network of space satellites. So weather data, that means is it rainy weather today or it is not. So that is a weather data supplied by worldwide network of space satellites, aeroplanes and ground stations to a supercomputer. In India, the National Center of for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, that is NCMRWF, is located in New Delhi. So in India we have National Center. In India it is NCMRWF and it is located in the New Delhi and uses supercomputer for medium range weather forecast, that is crucial for Indian agriculture. So this is another application. Now material scientists and physicists are using supercomputers to design new materials. Nanostructure technology requires microscopic investigation of mechanical, electrical, optical and structural properties of materials having very small dimensions of the order of nanometer. This is sixth application. And seventh is film and TV industries are using supercomputers to create special effects, like in Marvel movies, Marvel Avenger Avenger series, etc. So and TV industry also, they are using supercomputers to create special effects for their television programs. Supercomputers help in producing computer generated images using advanced graphic features in short time.